Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am here with my little sister. We got slime over here. I'm pretty sure he has slime right here. Alright, she's mad. I made slime today at my cousin's Jasmine's house. She has a YouTube channel. She recorded a video, but on accident she deleted it, so I'm just showing you guys, and tomorrow I might make slime with my mom, which is recording. She's my camera guy. Turn. They can see you, alright. She's nervous. She's saying hi, alright. So, the slime, well, you guys can comment down below which color you want to be. Me and my mom are voting on red. We're not pretty sure we're going to make it tomorrow, but let me show you a quick closer look at the slime. Alright, and check out my friend's YouTube channel. His name is David, but his YouTube channel is called Randomness XD or Randomness something. Alright, so this slime was made with 4 packs of glue and Clorox. Not Clorox.